yesterday in live session, I try to revive the old digital DEC 3000 workstation. I used another hard disk with the pre-installed operating system, and now I don't have a system user password. First, we try to recover and reset the password. I booted from the hard disk. That hard disk is DKA 300 with two flags. The two flags is stops in the sysboot process. Can change the configuration. First, to configure the console. To pay EA0 is the main console. Live. Disable Windows system. And disable write params to 0 and write sys params, sorry. And continue to do normal startup. This is starting. I removed the system battery because it's dead, and now the systems request the actual date. And now starting the system. And the system is stopped on the primary is listen. Now spawn the in process. Okay. And now do normal system startup manually. We call the main script of the system startup or is startup? Yeah, startup. And now waiting for the system is available to change the system user password. This is the administrator of the OpenVMS user. Now I installed this disk. Is an old disk that needed other disk to creating the page files, but now it's not. It don't care because the system is starting waiting for the second disk, but it's not necessary to boot it. System is in starting process, normal process. They have a lot of references to the secondary disconnected disk. Try now. Maybe I need to disable searching the NTP because they have a lot of references to NTP old servers, and maybe I need to review the UCX TCP/IP configuration. Yes, that's old computer. Yeah, Richard, this is a DEC 3000 workstation. It's not very too old because I have all other base station, not Alpha architecture. This is a little modern than other bats, other architectures like bats. I have a base station in the bottom. This is old than this because the old base station is a CISC architecture, and this is RISC architecture. It's little modern than the CISC old architectures. I'm waiting for the prompt system to call in the change the yes. The system are available. I disable all the user identification, and now can call to the change. First, I need to go to the directory, to the main volume, the system. Indeed. This is the main system executables and logs, and now can run the authorize. The authorize on or AUF system can maintain the all the user and password system database. Yes, use UAF is to maintain the all users database of the system. Now can change the system password. And put any password. It's a trivial password. Is it a warning or new password is shorter than minimum length? Maybe modif system password. Dot. Like the modify system. It doesn't like dot. A record updated. I think so. Now try to check. And the user authorize file modify, no modification made right database. Maybe you can try to sys management or no, call shutdown script. Yes. Shutdown. Yes, shutdown reboot reformat. They shortly rebooted. None. Okay. And now I try to the Kembark was cool. Yeah, I am that old. Yeah, but maybe this workstation is from 1990s. Is old, but it's not very too old. Because I think the base station 2 is very older than this. I'm trying to. I cross the fingers and try to log in with my new system password. October 57. Now this is not normal prompt to request the date and time, because I repeat, I removed the the dead battery from main board, and the system requests every time the date and time. Maybe I try to disable the second page file configuration from the second file. Lots of references to the second disk. Lots of patience to finish the start the system. Yeah, it's about as old migrant. Start with vibrator. Yeah, it's not like vibrator, but it's a big vibrator. Lots of startup warnings because have lots of reference to a secondary disk I disconnected. I don't have a proper cable of the video display. I'm using the serial terminal connected to the console port, and now I try to access with my new. Yeah, I log it in. New password. I request a second. Okay. My new password. Okay, I'm into the system. Now show CPU. What is CPU? Is the DEC 3000 model 300. Is the Alpha processor. Show processes. Okay, it's not very ideal hostname. EEZ. Show system. It has a lot of processes. It doesn't have shownet. TCP/IP enabled. And DECnet. They have DECnet. Well, show default. What is the default user directory? Actual directory. Show users. I am alone connected to this system, indeed. And now can try to call show term. VT300, of course, and set def sys or system here. Okay, edit. It's shut down. I exhausted. Now it's recharged. Now I change. I try to edit the system startup. Oh, sys startup. This node is not configured in cluster mode because it's not configured. But maybe I go to the read the system startup scripts. This is a lot of commented. Mount user disk is another script that is interesting. I need to review all the startup process. Is Apache processes. Maybe can disable this calling different secondary scripts. Define user, sys commands, that's it. Okay. Maybe review some commands like user disk. Sysmanager mount. Say right. Okay, and okay. Set def. This is change directory to the volume, to the logical name sysmanager, and the mount. What is this file.com? Edit mount user disks. .com. What is? I can disable this because it is a user directory. Maybe disable this reference to the mount the user disk because I don't have this secondary disk. That's it. This is a editor of VMS. Normally I can execute directly command with the do key on the VT3020 terminal key. Let's go to the again set def to the sys startup logical name. Now maybe go to the main startup script and review mount disk, lock dev define. Sorry. This TCP/IP define commands. Maybe try to go start up TCP/IP commands. Reset the terminal. This is communications. in the communications, because I don't save this option. This terminal have three ports, one 433 DEC standard or RS232 standard. I connected to the machine with the DEC connector, and not save the configuration. TCP/IP startup. Exit. Okay. Edit. TCP/IP startup.com is the main script or TCP/IP network commands to review the end of the script. .com. The extension .com is used to define VMS scripts command options, and maybe TCP is that. Yeah, no. See, startup is the main script on the one phase of the system initialization process, and define commands. Oh, TCP/IP define commands. TCP/IP define commands.com. No, it's not. This is not the script. TCP/IP define commands. Ay. No. Like the TCP/IP commands.com. Take care. It's alias to access directly to the TCP/IP commands instead to write long expressions. Only define the commands, aliases commands. I have another startup process. Startup. I have only VMS. VMS images, VMS faces. I think so. In the VMS existing another files of, for example, default. What is my set default? Okay. Okay, let's go to the check show dev. This is startup is some show logicals. What is lot of logicals, maybe can disable it. I repeat, so I don't have a real monitor to connect the graphics card on this system and connect it to the terminal with that small test. I have a lot of logicals are defined that include the it's 11 deck window system and a lot of type of unused logical names. Now I into the system set the system authorize list writing list files exit type sys yes. Had a lot of users into it. Okay. Not how it is. Type to clear the screen is not light annoying page NL. So this is type a clear screen command of VMS. Show processor. Show CPU. Not bad. Wait a minute. Well, I go to do something on my work. I have a go live process to the. I maybe go another day to continue the configure the system. Thank you for watching to me, and have a lot of time to work on this machine. Now I started up and reconfigure the default system password, and I am in the system, and I reconfigured little parts of the system startup process, and the next maybe try to find the right monitor to test the deck window. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.